take my glasses off.
Yeah,
A little more
notice the
professional.
wood grain now.
Yeah, it looks really. That's why I say I like going from that gloss finish down to the matte finish, because you get more of a realistic hardwood look. All right, Facebook, YouTube, what's going on? Today is, what is today?
July 2nd.
July the 2nd, 2025, and we are, where are we?
Sevierville.
We're in Sevierville.
River Park.
River Place Way.
River Place Way Parks. We're here with my clients, Mr. and Mrs. Daly, correct?
Yes.
That was pronunciation. We did a hardwood screen and recoat, a one-day sand-free resurfacing on their pre-finished hardwood floors for them. Tell us how you found us. I think it was on...
just on the internet.
It was on the internet. I think it was on Google. You called us up here. We did the in-home consultation. It was a $65 consultation fee.
Right.
Did the walkthrough with you, showed you all of the different products, what we offer, the lifespan, life expectancy. You guys opted in for the UV finishing.
Yep.
Why did you? I can't remember. Why did you?
We thought it would, by taking some of the shine away, and that it would probably look better.
And there's a lot of
then,
windows, so it's a
Yeah.
lot of sunlight.
Yeah, so they'd originally had, it was a very high gloss sheen on the hardwood floors. And based off every time that I come into a job, I try and ask you guys as many questions as I can and figure out what are your hopes, what are your expectations with the project. Some of their hopes and expectations were they had, you know, a lot of furniture that had been slid across the floor, a lot of gouges, scratches, indentations, stuff like that. These floors could not be sent through a full sand and refinish. They do not have a thick enough wear layer, so they had two options: cover it with a different type of flooring or resurface these. I showed them a few of the YouTube videos. They liked what they saw, and we set that expectation that we thought dropping it down to a matte sheen would really help to kind of hide some of those imperfections and some of those blemishes. Now I'll hand it over to you, let you talk about the service a little bit.
Okay.
From start to finish, what was your expectation and how did we do?
Well, we were expecting to get the majority of the scratches out, but from what we can see, you got them all out.
Yeah.
We thought some, it would be very hard to get, but if it was an 80% improvement, we would have been thrilled, but it's 100% improvement, so we're totally thrilled.
Awesome. And then the cleanliness of the house, because it's dust free.
Oh, yeah.
You don't see dust all over the place.
No.
So that's one of the great benefits of this service is dust containment. It's dust free, sand free. And then what time did I get started this morning and what time are we getting done?
About 10.
10, and it's 3 o'clock now.
Yeah.
So one day you guys are
Right.
in and back on the floors.
Yeah.
They did the UV curing so they can get back on the floors instantly. I think it looks great. I think that's all we need to discuss. Guys, thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
All the gouges from the sleeper sofa and the chairs.
Oh, yes. Yes, I think that looks awesome.